Today you can own the first ever Peter Pan 50p coin. Issued by the Isle of Man, the new coin marks the 90th anniversary of author J.M. Barrie giving all his rights in Peter Pan to Great Ormond Street Hospital. Best of all, for every coin sold, a donation will go directly to help support the hospital and the children who are cared for there. Yours for just £6.25 plus postage and packing. Call now on 0800 781 5016 or visit www.peterpan50p.co.uk.
This is the brand new Lion and the Unicorn 1 gram pure gold collector ingot. Expertly struck from pure 24-karat gold, this uniquely designed square ingot provides you with the opportunity to own gold. The Lion and the Unicorn ingot is limited to 19,995 pieces, so if you want to own this unique collectible, call today on 0800 781 5010 or visit ingotsquared.co.uk today. Each 1 gram pure gold ingot is delivered in its own Ingot Squared security code.
You can now be one of the first fans worldwide to collect the new official Harry Potter medals. By ordering today, the first set of 3 can be yours for the amazing introductory price of just £8.99. That's half price. Start your magical collection today with Harry, Ron and Hermione. And as an extra bonus, you'll also get a complimentary Dobby medal. Each fully licensed medal features your best-loved characters, artifacts, spells, magical creatures and places housed in their official collector cards. Just call 0800 988 1201 or visit minteditions.co.uk/Harry Potter.
2019 marks the 40th anniversary of one of the world's most prestigious gold coins, the Canadian maple leaf. The Royal Canadian Mint has just released a special anniversary edition, offering you the chance to own a genuine pure gold coin for just £45. Struck from 0.5 grams of 24-karat gold, this miniature masterpiece is limited to just 40,000, meaning this could be your only opportunity to own this important anniversary edition. All you need to do is call 0800 781 5013 or visit goldmapleleaf.co.uk today.